Our client at Fig and Lily Restaurant in Morristown, New Jersey, took over a previous kitchen that was out of compliance with today's food safety regulations. After reviewing the space, our team at High Performance Systems devised a budget-friendly restaurant kitchen flooring system to realize the client's vision and bring them up to code on all food safety concerns. The existing space was out of pitch and was made up of quarry tiles that had several failures, leaving voids and exposed grout lines. High Performance Systems set out to create a pitch towards the existing drains and slope the low spots to ensure no standing water would be present once complete. Along with that, we installed a 6-inch radial cove base to all walls, creating a bathtub effect to the kitchen floor. We installed a 1/4-inch seamless floor system to eliminate grout lines, which creates a seamless and hygienic kitchen floor. To make sure we provided them with the most durable flooring option available to the commercial kitchen market, the finished floor allowed for high temperature tolerances, chemical resistance to grease and lactic acid, an anti-slip texture, and allowed for no standing water. After the installation, Fig and Lily were left with a durable, clean, and safe floor product with an absolutely stunning and bright aesthetic. If you need us to redesign and install a new flooring system for your commercial kitchen, call us or visit highperformancesystems.com.